Sixth graders, this is to help you with question 4 on CR 20 version B. It says, which of the following fractions is the least? So I'm looking for the smallest. All right, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a visual model for each of these. So I'm going to take 1/3. So I'm going to take a large box representing one whole. I'm going to try to break that box into 3 equal pieces. So visually, this is what 1/3 would look like. Then I'll try to take that same box, and instead of breaking that same box into 3 pieces, I'll try breaking it into 8 pieces. So I'll try to go halfway. Not great, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now if I want to look at 1/8, hopefully you can see 1/8 is smaller than 1/3, and it makes sense. If you were sharing a pizza with friends and you ate 1/3 of that pizza, that's much different than having to share it with 8 friends and only getting 1/8 of that pizza. Let's look at 1/10 of that pizza. What would that look like? So now it's the same outside rectangle, but now we have to break it into 10 pieces. So about halfway would be here, and then I got to break this into 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hopefully you can see 1/10 is even smaller than 1/8. If you had a pizza and you had to share it equally with 10 friends, you only got 1/10, you got less. And again, 1/12, you'll get an even smaller amount of pizza if you have to share it between 12 friends and you're only getting 1/12. So here's like halfway. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, they're not beautiful, but hopefully you can see if you have to split the pizza, that same pizza between 12 friends, and you're only getting 1/12, you're getting the smallest amount of pizza. Another option would be to find a common denominator. I'm going to tell you, you can write each of these numbers with a denominator of 120. If I write each of the numbers with a denominator of 120, 3 times 40 is 120, 1 times 40 is 40. 8 times, how many times does 8 go into 120? 8 goes into 12 once. Then 8 goes into 45, 5. Oh, sorry, 8 goes into 40. Drag down that 0. 5 times 8 times 5 is 40. So this would be, if I was going to multiply top and bottom now by 15, that would be 15 out of 20. So you can see 1/3 would be 40 out of 120. 40 is greater than 15 out of 120. 10 times 12 is 120. 1 times 12 is 12. So definitely 12 is less than 15 is less than 40. Here I'd multiply numerator and denominator by 10. And I'd get 10/20ths. But I really feel the visual to me is most helpful to think about splitting a pizza between friends. And if I only get 1 out of 12 pieces, if that same pizza was broken into thirds, I get a whole lot more in a slice. I hope that helps.